Game design for beginners. YouTube script. TTS optimized. Script, 2 to 4 minute read. Did you know that in just 7 days, you can create your very first video game, even if you've never written a single line of code before? Picture this. You're sitting at home during summer break, scrolling through the same apps, watching the same videos, feeling like you want to create something amazing, but having no idea where to start. You see all these incredible games and think, wow, I wish I could make something like that, but it seems so complicated and overwhelming. You might even think you need years of programming experience or expensive software just to get started. Well, here's the thing. Game design isn't about complex coding or fancy equipment. It's about understanding 3 simple principles that anyone can learn in a week. I'm talking about a method that takes just 30 minutes a day and can have you creating your first playable game by next weekend. Let me walk you through the exact 3-step process that transforms complete beginners into confident game creators. Step 1 is all about mastering the paper prototype. Before you touch any computer, grab some index cards, markers, and dice. Spend 10 minutes each day sketching out your game idea on paper. This works because your brain can focus purely on the fun mechanics without getting distracted by graphics or technical stuff. The benefit here is huge. You'll discover whether your game idea is actually fun to play before investing hours in digital development. Step 2 focuses on learning one simple tool called Scratch. This is a free, visual programming language designed specifically for beginners. Dedicate 15 minutes daily to following along with one Scratch tutorial. The reason this is so effective is that Scratch uses colorful blocks instead of confusing text code, so your brain can understand the logic immediately. After just 3 days, you'll be creating interactive characters and building game mechanics that actually respond to player input. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Combine your paper prototype with your new Scratch skills. Take 5 minutes each day to recreate one element from your paper game in Scratch. This works because you're building confidence gradually while seeing immediate visual results. By day 7, you'll have a complete digital game that you designed from scratch. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too simple to actually work. I was skeptical at first too. I thought real game design required years of study and complex programming languages. But here's what happened. After following this exact method for just 1 week, I had created a simple but genuinely fun puzzle game. My friends started asking me to teach them how I did it. Within a month, I had built 3 different games, and people were actually excited to play them. The best part? I went from feeling completely clueless about game development to confidently calling myself a game designer. So here's your challenge. Commit to spending just 30 minutes a day for the next 7 days following this exact process. Get some index cards today, sign up for a free Scratch account, and start sketching your first game idea tonight. Remember, every professional game designer started with their first simple creation. Your summer break could be the beginning of an incredible creative journey. Sometimes the smallest daily actions lead to the biggest transformations in our lives.